Well, this is my printer I've been working on for some time. Need to come up with something better for there to help keep the air from cooling. Maybe a second layer of wool or kind of high temp cloth. But anyway, this machine is now working very well. There it is, doing 130 millimeters a second traveling, and it's doing 50 millimeters a second perimeter, and 66 millimeters a second infill. And here is the last part I printed. Actually looks pretty good. Anyway, it's making printer number 2. One of these days I'll learn. Anyway, and printer number 2 is on its way. Then I can give my wife back the table. She wants it back. Anyway. Hold on. There's printer number 2 in construction. It's higher, and here's my little workstation. There's an older prusa, and then here's a prusa iteration 2, heavily modified. A couple things that people might want to do to their printers is, first of all, notice I have a wood plate there, and I have 2 bearings on each side. What was happening is I had one that had 3 bushings, and it didn't have enough support to keep it from leaning this way from the feedstock. The feedstock I have on a reel right here, and I have this to prevent this from going all the way over here and pulling the extruder. So this kind of keeps it so that when it's feeding, it pulls it in the middle and keeps it from binding when it has to pull all the way from the other side. And the other thing too is I added this bar back there diagonally. That prevents a lot of sideways vibrations. And then I'm thinking I'm going to add a counterweight on this as well. But this is working pretty good. And then that one does okay too. Those parts weren't printed on that, but that one will be busy here in a little while. That's kind of like my ugly monster. And then this one is going to look better. And that one is going to look really good. This one's also got 18-inch long triangle frames. So this one goes about 2.5 inches longer this way, and it's about 2 inches taller. Anyway, I'm going to be shooting some more videos soon, but like I said, I'm going to have to clean off the table first as soon as this is built.